Welcome, it's Liam again. Today, we'll show you two ways to share your user story map: sharing as an image or CSV file, and generating a public sharing link. First, let's look at how to share your story map as an image or CSV file. Go to your story map and locate the export icon on the top navigation bar. For exporting as an image, you can choose the resolution and decide whether to include the backlog and orphan cards. Click Export, and your story map will be downloaded as a PNG file. Similarly, for a CSV file, you have the same options for including the backlog and orphan cards. Click Export to download the CSV file, and here's what it looks like. Now, let's move on to generating a public sharing link. Find this option next to the export icon. You need to enable it in the admin settings with an admin role. Click Copy to get the share link. Here is what the public story map looks like. It's almost similar to the original in Jira, with basic filters and options. By clicking here, outside users can give comments or feedback on the story map, and it will be updated in the community section of the ProductGo app. To see issues in more detail, users still need a Jira account with project permissions. And that's how you share your Jira user story map on ProductGo. For more detailed guides, visit our documentation. Thanks for watching.